If you want to upload audio files on Google Drive, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and easy way. Whether you're uploading an MP3, WAV, M4A, or another audio format, Google Drive makes it simple to store your files in the cloud, access them from any device, and share them whenever you need to. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Drive page, look for the plus new button, which is usually on the left side of the screen. Click on that sidebar button to unopen the upload menu. From the menu that appears, select File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a single file from your computer rather than create a new folder or a document. After that, your computer's file browser will open. Now browse to the location where your audio file is saved. You can upload common audio formats like MP3 or WAV, and in many cases other supported audio file types as well. Once you find the audio file you want to upload, click on it to highlight it, then press Open. This starts the upload process right away. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, it may take a few seconds or a little longer. While it uploads, you can usually see the progress indicator in the lower corner of Google Drive. Just wait until the upload is fully complete. When it finishes, your audio file will appear inside Google Drive, ready to be opened, organized into a folder, renamed, or shared with other people. You can also right-click the file later if you want to move it, get a shareable link, or manage access settings. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to upload audio files on Google Drive in just a few simple steps. It's a great way to back up your recordings, store music drafts, or keep important audio files accessible from anywhere. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.